Ever wished your friends and family knew exactly what to get you for those special occasions without any guessing games? Today, we're diving into how to create and share your very own Amazon wish list, a personal gift registry that makes sure you get exactly what you want for birthdays, holidays, or any event. First things first, head over to Amazon.com and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the Account and List option in the top right corner of the page, hover over it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Wishlist. If you don't have a wish list yet, you'll see a prominent button to create one. Click that. Now, you'll be prompted to name your wish list. You can be as creative as you like. Something like my birthday wishes, holiday gift ideas, or even something specific like new home essentials. Let's go with my birthday wishes for this example. Next, you'll determine the privacy settings for your wish list to be discoverable by friends and family. You'll want to select public. There are also options for shared and private, but public is most common for gift giving. And just like that, your wish list is created. Now for the fun part, adding items. As you browse Amazon for things you love, you'll find an Add to List button near the Add to Cart option. Click that, and then select your newly created wish list from the drop-down. See, it's that simple. You can add as many items as your heart desires, in any order you like. You can even add comments to specific items, like this color would be perfect. Now, to share your curated collection, on your wish list page, you'll find an option to send this wish list to someone. This will bring up a sharing window. You can either email it directly to people, or more commonly, you can copy the link to your wish list. Once you have that link, share it via email, text message, social media, or anywhere your gift givers can easily access it. Now everyone knows exactly what to get you, ensuring a sprinkle of joy and perfectly chosen gifts for all your special moments.